show you guys real fast how easy this deck height is to set up. This is an easy deck height adjustment. Just gonna sit down in the cockpit. See this pedal to the right. You're gonna push it down, and then here on the left is your deck height adjustment. Got it all the way up. You go back over here to this pedal and watch how far the pedal's going to come up this time. So push down the pedal, go over here. You want to go all the way down, believe it or not, I go down to 1 inch when I got grass laying in the driveway or something, just to mulch it up. So 1 inch. Look at how far down it's going to go. Now a little tip for you. Put it to the highest mowing deck before you engage
the blades. Once you get your mowing deck to the top height, gauge your blades with the PTO, and then set your desired mowing height. This will save your belts.